Karma. What goes around comes around, right? Right. How you treat people is how they'll treat you back. Disrespect them or knock them, they're gonna slap you back. Yeah. Sometimes it hurts, and that's bad karma. Watch out for it. How am I supposed to live in a world full of negatives? How am I supposed to love in a world full of bullshit? Shut up. How am I supposed to live in a world full of positivity? Well, I guess I'll have to make
These fat raps think they fit like baby Iron Man. I got the iron tongue and the iron hand. I'll make the final stand. The final showdowns come round and hit ya as I throw down my gauntlet to switch the picture. If ya hip in the mirror, you're bound to get a reflection. Like with every action, there is a reaction with your dodgy actions and causing negative drama. And if you know God's law, you best watch for karma. No, I'ma bomb ya, running in traps like taps. You think you're floating on the cream, you and your rat pack. Well, I'll take that, go back, now let's yell. I'll like you like jail cells so we can exhale. I'm a bull, and use a matador. I'm seeing red, I'm a target like you floating in space like astronauts. I started off lost, but now at first, while your shame game got cut off like umbilicals at birth.
How am I supposed to live in a world full of negatives? How am I supposed to love in a world full of bullshit? Shut up. How am I supposed to breathe in a world full of lust and greed? Well, I guess I'll have to make it and say and pray to God that I'll be okay. I look around the city and it's all such a pity. Everybody trying to be pretty.
Just cause that's kinda rude, like what you trying to prove? I say nothing, I'm just trying to build a feeling. I live like you. I got plans to take this city up to Senate. As life's one big race and I went all the streets to win it. If you're not with it like quitters, then get out of my face. You got no place in my grace with your remains. You're a disgrace to the sire. You need to rekindle your fire. I look higher, higher. Look around, I got sounds to help you get down so you can get up. When I put this in your ass, then get me fed up. Yeah, they make me wanna throw up. They gotta grow up. I'll be feeling a bit, but I'll be sailing like Noah.
How am I supposed to live in a world full of negatives? How am I supposed to love in a world full of bullshit? Shut up. How am I supposed to live in a world full of lust and greed? Well, I guess I'll have to make it and say it pretty good that I'll be Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, Darwin, Superb, Adelaide, Tassie, and all across the OCC. I lecture on the Buddha, it's time to roll. I will continue like part 2 with no to and fro. Aiming at infinity, starting at 0. I have to lead the poor lost souls before they fall slow. I got the key to the door and I'm searching for the keyhole. And I unlock the door, I bring you love to my people. I like these fickle fanatics who wanna cause death. Cut close late, bringing we for the hell's depths. As I watch and see all our progress regress. As what goes up comes down nevertheless. We stunned by the horror, cold hearts were armor. Boomerang effect as we all face our karma. How am I supposed to live in a world full of negatives? How am I supposed to love in a world full of bullshit? Shut up.